Hello coders, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to set up GCC for our VS Code. So our ID which we have chosen here is VS Code Studio. And in this, we'll see how to set up or compile a C or C++ program. So these are the three steps which we do in this video. So first step is we'll install the Ming GW64 compiler for Windows. Okay, so once it is installed in our window, then we'll have to install the VS Code. Okay, and the last point will be we will compile one C code to check whether the compiler is working perfectly or not. So let's go through the first point. We'll install Ming GW compiler on Windows. So we'll go to the Google and we'll type mingw 64 download. Okay. So we'll get few sites. So we'll skip this site and we'll go to the pre-built toolchain. Okay. So here we have different type of OS and they're supporting pre-built toolchain. So ours is Windows. So we'll take this one mingw W64 bit and this are the pre-built binaries. So go through this and we'll click on this GitHub link. So here we have multiple binaries. Okay, so we'll download 64 binary and we'll take this POSIX one. Just download it. Okay, so it's downloading here. So just go to this folder. Okay, I think it's in downloads. So here we have this compressed file, and now we'll extract it in the same location. So now it's extracting. Okay, so now it's done. Now we will go to the Ming GW64 folder, and here we have the bin folder. So here we have all the required binaries which we need for compilation and debugging. Okay, so we'll take this path now. So we have to set the environment variable of our window PC with this path so that our terminals or VS Code can easily find it. Okay, for example, if I type GCC, it should give me some version information or it can compile a binary. Okay, so I'll copy this path where we have all these binaries and we'll type environment variables. So we'll go here. Here we have at the bottom, we have environment variable. Just click over there. Then we have this path variable here. So we go here. Okay. So now we will add a new path that is this. Okay. So once it is done, we'll click OK. We'll click OK here and just come out of this. Okay. Just close this window. Okay. Now I'll go to command prompt. Then I type GCC version. So you see here your environment is able to find GCC from that respective path. So now we are good to go for compilation with VS Code. So our next step, our second step is we have to install VS Code now. Okay. So for that, we again go to the Google. Okay. We'll type Google here. Then we'll type VS Code. Okay, so this is the first site. I go inside this. So in the screen only, we'll have this download for Windows. I just click it. Okay, so it start downloading. Now I go inside this folder. Okay, wait. Okay. I just launch this exe. Now I have to accept this agreement. Next, it will be installed somewhere here. Next. Now, do you want to create a desktop icon? Now I click here. Then we'll go for next. And now let's install. It will take some time to install. Okay. Now we have an option launch the VS Code. Once we finish, it will be launched. Okay. This way. Okay. Now our mingw install and we have the VS Code. Now we have to, integrate these two things, VS Code and mingw, so that our VS Code can find that mingw. Okay, for that I'll go to open a folder. So I'll go to desktop. I create a new folder here, uh, like VS Code first program. Okay, I just click inside and I select this folder. So we will be inside that folder. I'll click on this folder tab. Okay. So now I'll create a new file. So I'll type code.c. Okay. So now this file is been open. Okay. Now I have to select a language. Okay. I'll take C and I start typing hash include stdio dot h. Then we have int main return 0. Then I take printf for this and hello world. Okay, I save it. Now the second part is we have to add some extension over to VS Code. Okay, so here we go to the extension. Okay, so I think it's already installed. Okay, if it's not installed, you have to install it. And second is the extension pack. Okay, these two things you need to install. And the third thing is code runner. So this you also need to install. So it's installed now. As you can see, uninstall is here. So I'll go back to my C code. Okay. And save it. Now I'll run the code. So it's showing GCC is not an internal or external command. Operate in the batch. Okay. So I'll go to the terminal and I'll type. Let's see if it can recognize or not. No, it's not recognizing. So let's restart it once. So I'll exit from here. I'll again, okay. So let's see if now it can recognize. Okay. Now if you can see, you have the GCC version of 15.1 installed here. Okay. So if you do ls, I'll get that code.c here in this. Okay. So now the next part is compiling this code. So I'll do code.c hyphen o code. Okay, I'll get a binary of code. So if I do ls, I'll get code.exe. So once I compile it, sorry, so I have to do code.exe. Okay, so now you can see hello world is printed here. It means our GCC is working fine here. Okay, so this is how we can install. So all the three steps we followed here. Okay, and we'll get the output. So the major part here, I think these three extensions we need to install. Okay, first is this IntelliSense, and second is this extension pack, and third is this code runner. By using this, I think you can also able to compile a program in C. So in the next videos, we will start with the main coding. I will start with the structure of C program. So let's see in the next session. Thanks.